ChatGPT is extremely popular right now. So in this video, I'm going to go over 10 stocks that you can invest in to take advantage of the AI chatbot revolution. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to have Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. They produce Nvidia GPUs, so they depend on the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. And Nvidia GPUs are being used by ChatGPT currently. So it's a direct way to get some exposure. TSMC surpassed Intel in producing leading edge chips. So they even surpassed Intel, which is a massive company. They're going to be a little bit more like medium to high risk as far as investment goes. And their ticker symbol is going to be TSMC. If you guys like content like this, please drop a comment, like, and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. So next we have Workday Inc. Workday is a cloud-based application provider focused on human capital management. They do AI-based optimization engine that helps businesses manage scheduling, staffing, labor demand, and more. They have AI-based virtual support agent Barista, which they integrate into their platform. It answers employee questions about HR issues. So imagine there being no need for an HR department. I mean, having a chatbot that can deal with HR issues in real time sounds extremely lucrative for companies, and I'm really excited to see how businesses are going to apply AI and chatbots in general into their business. So Workday is medium to high risk. The ticker symbol is going to be WDAY. The next stock I'm going to be talking about is EPAM. Hopefully you guys haven't heard about a lot of these stocks, because I did a lot of research to try to bring you guys some more unique stocks besides just Microsoft and Intel and Amazon, which I will be talking about later as well. But EPAM has 10 plus years of business process management, robotics, and cognitive experience. They strive for intelligent automation. They're going to be medium to high risk as well, and their ticker symbol is going to be EPAM. Microsoft, this is going to be a very obvious one, a little bit somewhat direct way. I mean, Microsoft is a massive company with lots of different hands in different fields and businesses, but they did just recently invest over 10 billion in OpenAI, which owns ChatGPT. And they also invested, I think, like 1 billion plus back when ChatGPT was first starting. So they definitely have a decent stake in ChatGPT. They're going to be low risk as they have a lot of cash on hand, and they also are a large cap US company. They also have tons of other businesses. So definitely, if you want a more safe way to get some exposure to ChatGPT, this is probably the best way. And ticker symbol MSFT. Amazon is going to be another low risk way of getting into it. AMZN is the ticker symbol. They already have a lot of chatbots that they use on their website, and they've also attained 70% of the voice assistant market with Alexa. I currently use Alexa with smart plugs to power my home. I think Alexa is a very good product. I know people get scared of Alexa and Google products that are always listening into you, but your phone is always listening to you. All the apps are always listening to you. There's really no way to get around that. Nvidia. This is also going to be one of my favorite ways, I would say, and I think that potentially is going to have the highest return when it comes to investing in ChatGPT stocks. I've been an investor in Nvidia for a while. I'm pretty into crypto and gaming, so I saw the potential that they had there back in 2017 era. But yeah, ChatGPT runs on Nvidia GPU chips. Obviously, the crypto and gaming bear market, that kind of led to chip sales to going down. But now they have an opportunity in AI to release even newer and faster chips. So currently, ChatGPT is using an old Nvidia chip, so they're going to keep releasing newer chips, which is going to help ChatGPT process things even faster. I put this as low dash medium because even though it is a large cap US company, Nvidia is a high flying tech stock. So keep that in mind and understand that there is a lot of risk when it comes to investing in tech stocks. Next, we have Micron. Micron data requires huge amounts of memory and storage, so they're a memory producer. Obviously, their PC sales went down a ton. We're in a bear market right now. A lot of these stocks are going to be on a dip. So if you kind of have a strategy and say, hey, I'm going to buy this stock at this price, or I'm going to dollar cost average in, you could be buying on a really nice dip here and put yourself in a great position for the future. So they really could benefit from memory intensive AI servers. Their ticker symbol is going to be MU. I didn't write it here, but they're going to be more of a low to medium risk company as well. Then we have IBM. IBM has its own AI chatbot already called Watson. They are highly focused on improving the customer experience for businesses. They're a direct competitor to Microsoft. They're going to be ticker symbol IBM. They're going to be low risk because they even offer a dividend. So I think this is going to be a way to get invested in AI, but a very indirect way, if you will. And we also have Google. Google has invested hundreds of millions in AI startups. They're a direct competitor, I feel like, to Nvidia and Meta. They're aiming to ramp up content offerings and complete with platforms like TikTok. They also own YouTube, so they have a big hand in content, and they already use automation almost every facet of their business as well. I'm going to go ahead and call this one low risk, as their parent company Alphabet, like I said, owns YouTube as well, and Google's been around forever. I don't think Google's going anywhere, but I think ChatGPT and chatbots will definitely take over, answering a lot of questions that we go to Google for currently, because it gives you a very specific answer. And the ticker symbol is going to be GOOG. Here we have UiPath Inc. I believe this is going to be my final one. So they develop robotic process automation technology that allows companies to improve efficiency and reduce cost by automating tedious and repetitive processes. So really what they do is they automate reading documents and emails, analyzing language and images, understand the content and intent of communications. So their ticker symbol is going to be PATH, P-A-T-H. I label them as high risk because they have gone down immensely since they IPO'd. So definitely do your own research on all these stocks. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just here sharing you guys my opinion in certain ways that I think you guys can get invested in this AI revolution. I really hope you guys enjoy this content. Let me know what you guys want to see moving forward. Thanks.